Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to share games with your friends step by step. So here I'm going to show you how to share games with your friends step by step. So all you need to do is go to Steam, right at top left, click on settings. Once you're here, click on interface. After here, interface, make sure your Steam data update. Make sure it's on right there. And after doing that, guys, go right here to the top right corner. And then once you're here, click on account details. Then here you will see family management. Once you're here, click on create a family. Then you need to create a family. Let's say putting KJ. Then create. Oh no, wait, if I got a limited account or not eligible. Oh wait, this means if this shows up for you guys, it means that you have to spend at least $5 on Steam to have your unlimited account. So yeah, that's the side effect of that. But it's just easy. You just need to create a family, then invite them. Just add them right here in your Steam family. After doing that, the other person that you invited just need to click join a family. They will see like a pop up right here of you line to join. All you need to do is just click on accept, and you'll be able to join the family. And once you've joined the family, a quick tip for you guys: cool down before joining a family. After leaving a Steam family, if you are planning to leave that, you must wait up to 1 year before joining or creating a new one. One family at a time. You can only be a part of one Steam family at once. And one player per library. Only one person can play games from a shared library at a time. If the owner starts playing, the borrower gets kicked out. And there you go. And another guys, tip for you guys, not all games are shareable. Games that need third-party launchers, separate online accounts cannot be shared. And DLCs is shared only if the borrower does not own the base game. If they own the game, they won't get your DLC. And offline limits, borrower needs online access to start games. Offline mode is limited and unreliable for shared games. And a quick tip for you guys before I go. Last few tips. Family size limit. You can share with up to 5 seconds on 10 device total. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys give it. Push enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down comment below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.